Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see this is Philips 32-inch LED TV. In this TV you can see the display problem. There is double image problem and also color changing problem in this display. Here you can observe in this video. The color is changing continuously, then double image is also appearing in the middle. Here you can see the double image. So this problem is caused due to the display problem. Here you can see the model number. This is the display of this LED TV. Here you can see the display number. Friends, I tested all the basic voltages in the display, but all the voltages are okay. But our main problem is occurred due to the shortage in the CKB tracks. Here you can see the CKB tracks. Wait a minute. Here you can see the left side CKB tracks. Now I am going to cut the left side CKB tracks. There are 4 CKB tracks are there. CKB1, CKB2, CKB1, CKB2. Here I am going to cut the 4 CKB tracks. If the problem is not solved by cutting the left side CKB tracks, we have to join all the CKB tracks, then we have to cut down in the right side CKB tracks. Friends, here you can see how I cutted the CKB tracks. Friends, after cutting these tracks, we have to check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, we have to cut down in the right side. So let's see the result. Here you can see, yes, our problem is fixed. Here you can see the color changing problem is fixed, and then the double image problem is also fixed. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.